Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is a DIY cross-country vehicle dinosaur car. It is for ages 3 and up. It says it's great for creativity, eye and hand coordination, and it tells you everything that comes in here. So you'll have like the little trailer with the dinosaur, and then you'll have the truck with 2 people, some tools and stuff, and then a toolbox which will go on top of your vehicle. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to put a clip of my son actually playing with it. Okay, so this is how it comes packaged. You can see everything is just kind of all separated, so you're going to have to put everything together. It does come with more than just one dinosaur. You can see it actually comes with all these. And I'm just saying, like, just this dinosaur alone is totally worth this kit. My son's going to absolutely love this. So he can move his mouth and stuff. So super cute. And then it comes with like a stegosaurus, or is that the steg? I don't even know. Triceratops. So I did want to show you a little bit like how you do this. You're pretty much putting every little piece together, and it comes with a user manual that'll show you step by step. So I put the steering wheel, the doors, I did this and everything. Like the next step is the mirrors right here. So we're going to put these right here. So you can see it just kind of, it's almost like playing with Legos or something. So you're just going to put each thing together just like that. And then the next step you have is this thing on the back, which is right here. And then this goes like this, like that. And then you're going to do the tailgate, which is this one right here, right? Yeah, so you're going to face it this way. Slide this in just like that. And now it's going to tell you where to put all the stickers and everything in here, and then you're going to attach this to here to pull it. What is that?
Chicken.
That's not chicken, that's a leg.
Ah.
That's not a chicken. So do you know what the dinosaurs' names are?
No.
What's that big one?
T-Rex.
See, you know. So this is what it looks like all put together. What do you think about it, son?
Cool.
It's cool. There's 2 people in there.
There's one right here, too.
See? But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.